Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my Spanish rice recipe. This recipe tastes like it came from a Mexican restaurant and it's super easy to make. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so you're going to need some jasmine rice, some bell pepper, a quarter of an onion, garlic, some tomato El Pato sauce, a little spicy, some tomato Goya, some chicken bouillon, and some olive oil. So like I said before, this recipe is super easy. I could probably do this with my eyes shut. So what you're going to want to do is just roughly chop all your veggies like I am doing right here. Okay, and now I'm just going to measure out 1 cup of rice. We're going to add that rice to a pan with some olive oil, and we are going to brown this rice. So toasting the rice actually enhances the nutty depth of the grains, and it gives it an extra layer of flavor that we all love. After the rice has been toasting, you're going to want to add all of your roughly chopped veggies. Be sure to saute the veggies with the rice until the veggies become translucent. I decided to slow this clip down so you guys could see me petting my husband. Okay, now it's time to add our tomato sauce. So we're going to add about half of this little can of El Pato. Make sure to mix that in with your rice really good. And then after that, we're going to make sure we add our 2 cups of water. Next, we're going to want to add our Goya tomato seasoning. I'm only adding half that packet. And if you are vegetarian, you can actually just use this whole packet and just skip out on the chicken bouillon. Alright, now we're just going to add about a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And then you always want to make sure you try the broth just to make sure it tastes good. Okay, I think it's good to go. Okay, now that we have it boiling rapidly, we're going to want to put a lid on it and reduce the heat to low. We are going to set the timer for 20 minutes. Oh, I think the timer is ready. Alright, so let's turn the heat off and check our yummy rice. Okay, you're going to want to make sure you fork the rice, fluff it up. And there you have it. You have some really delicious Mexican rice that tastes like it came from a Mexican restaurant. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you want to see more recipes.